Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on safe browsing in Chrome on your PC. By enabling safe browsing, you can enhance your online security and protect yourself from potential threats. Let's get started. To begin, let's change your safe browsing settings. Open Chrome on your computer. Look for the Chrome icon and click on it to launch the browser. Next, navigate to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on it to access the Chrome menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open up the settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome browser. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Within this section, click on Security. Now, you'll see the option to select the level of safe browsing you want to use. Chrome offers different levels of protection: No Protection, Standard Protection, and Enhanced Protection. Choose the level that suits your preferences and needs. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on safe browsing in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a safer and more secure browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe online.